Hello and welcome to the My Bartender Guide to Making a Surfer on Acid. This herbaceous cocktail created by Eric Tecosky in the 1990s can be served as a shot or a cocktail. Plus, it's easy to remember how to make it. You'll need 1 ounce of Jaeger, 1 ounce of coconut rum, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, and a pineapple garnish. Begin by adding the Jaeger, coconut rum, and pineapple juice into a shaker with ice and shake until chilled. Once that's done, strain the cocktail into a glass over ice. Finally, garnish with a pineapple wedge. And there you have it, a perfect surfer on acid. Cheers. If you enjoyed the content in this video and want to see more cocktail recipes and bartending info, make sure to like and subscribe.